And I'll be at the construction site. That's why my shit be dusty like that.
So how much they want it total?
Man, how this thing sound, bro? Man, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Relentless Dot Hemi 345 back at it with a banger for you guys. And yeah, y'all see it. We're in the backwoods of a freaking boonies over here, man. Look at my boy in the big cat.
Yeah,
big wide body cat. Y'all see it? That boy flexing Quan. But shoot, I'm finna go ahead and tune y'all in on what's finna go down. Let's go ahead and put this e-brake on. Yeah. For some of y'all that know, y'all already know what's going on. Let me go get my keys out. Boy, I thought I left my lock at home.
Yeah, they what?
I'd have been like, hell no. But hell no. Oh, they even got my key. Look, I'm dropping shit. What up, boss? Man, it was a trip, man.
They straight. What's up, dog?
What's going on? What's going on, boss?
What's going on, man, David?
David, man, that thing looks freaking serious. That thing looks mean.
Yeah.
What all have y'all done to it?
Not mine, that's his.
Man,
I haven't seen one.
what all have you done to it, boss?
The bitch is bad.
I got that leg maker intake on that hoe. They got the wide body put on that hoe. It was a slim body shit. But I don't wreck that mud like.
I haven't heard one
Wire
in real
body.
life.
First time was my fault. I fell asleep driving. My
What?
car when I got off work and shit. But the second time I got hit pulling out the gas station, so I just got that bumper. I don't know if I'm gonna have to get another one or not though.
For the front bumper?
Yeah.
It's not like,
Yeah, it's dripping in the front.
oh, like it's hanging?
Yeah, it's dipping down right here on the corners. You can see where it go down there, right here. Right here.
I'm surprised it's not like
So
the screws or anything.
Pins. I got the hood pins and make sure it wasn't the hood. So
For the
after
tap
hood
of them?
pin, let me know like
Yeah.
that hold a bumper. So I'm gonna have to get another bumper or some shit.
That's
Well,
like
see if they can fix it. They heat it up or some shit.
that's like the same thing that happened to mine. I don't know if you could barely tell like on the hood how I had like that gap.
Where you buy your hood your bumper from?
The front bumper?
Yeah.
Here in Dallas.
Oh, okay.
I paid $600 for it.
Okay.
You should have seen the one I had on there before. It matched with the gray and the blue. But I was on the way out of town one day. And you see how that bottom scoop right there is?
Yeah.
Something in the raw thing, like a big tire. It cracked that whole thing. So with me about to get it wrapped, I didn't want to get it wrapped yet. With that being there, it was like minor. And like it just tears through the wrap, then it'll be a waste. So I sold the bumper to my buddy and he got it patched up. But it still like creaks open the crack.
Okay, and what's up with the fenders? Did the flares come with it or what?
The whole wide body kit?
Yeah, what's up with this right here?
Yeah, whenever. Okay, so my car was.
Is that Victor's or?
No. That's
the
OEM.
actual-
Yeah, it's
OEM?
OEM.
Okay, that's what I was wondering.
Cause my buddy.
That's what I think I'm gonna have to go to.
Yeah. Oh, I feel like
Just
OEM is
testing shit
better
out, bro.
because the Vicris. I know a couple of my buddies that have it, and they tell me it just flies off on them on the highway most of the time. But my buddy, like, you see how like the middle of my door, right there, like, my buddy that had a wide body Scat, he got hit right there by a truck, but it didn't damage like the skirt or nothing. And he sold me the whole entire skirt for $1,000. Like it was full gray, and I got this side. I left this side gray, and I got this side painted blue to match the car because I was gonna go have blue. Yeah, it looks lower, huh? Man, this thing looks freaking sick. Man, how this thing sound, bro? This thing is bad. This thing is nasty, like for real. Big slime cat. Bruh, that's like a mini. Oh, that's like a mini cat, bro. That's freaking live. That man got porches up in the garage. Like, bro, that is something like, that's something spectacular right there. That man got the big engine out there letting her breathe. Bro, that is insane. That's crazy. Man. Bro, this picture is freaking wild. What the fuck? Sheesh. Check out that green on it. Oh man, the old fenders with the wide body. Big wide body cat. But as far as y'all don't know, new wheels on the wide body today. Yes, sir. That boy flexing. Make sure y'all tune in with him on his Instagram and his YouTube. One after another, they're coming all together. Look at that beauty. Bro, I still can't believe this big body with the Brembos on it. Big wide body. Just look at this beauty, man. Big SRT with the freaking Brembos and the drill slotted rotors. You can't get enough of this green, man. This green is freaking beautiful. And y'all gotta tune in with that boy on the gram. You got it? Yeah.
I put the front bumper on the too. You know, the actual bumper, not the cover.
Yeah.
But the actual bumper, I put the whole too. I got a black one.
I was about to say, those things actually hold the hood down? That was wild. Oh, okay.
It's kind of fucked up. It's kind of like,
Yeah, I was trying to figure out where it was at.
Yeah, see this?
I like how that green goes with it.
See, this supposed to be green. I replaced all this shit right here.
This was green before?
Yeah, in my bumper it was green too. That how black you see. My arm over there black. That one green.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay, got
So
you.
shit, I had to replace shit.
This a aftermarket hood?
Wrecked again. No, this OEM hood.
Oh, okay, so,
Yeah, right here.
oh, so like, how bad was the wreck? Like, it damaged like the entire
Oh, this is
front?
my 6 hood, bro. I
Huh?
done had a hell of
Your
a hood.
6 hood?
Yeah, it's
I
my
thought it was
6
like
hood,
the
bro.
original that
I
came
had
with
a
the
Lima
car.
hood. I done had a fucking
But you just
factory black. Yeah, I'm just like, shit. Well, I wrecked, like one time after we fixed her, I went to go pick up the hood, but nigga didn't tell me that I need to bring my latch. I mean, my
Yeah.
my little hook and shit.
That's what I had to do with
He
that
didn't
one.
tell me that, so this nigga gonna zip tie my shit. Like, not with actual zip tie, I'm talking about this nigga you like internet cool, bro. Cause that whole flew up, bro. That whole flew up. It was like a cheap, you know, like them niggas on fucking Facebook with some cheap ass shit.
You got lights in here?
Yeah, bro.
$100
This one right here was one. See, I had to buy new headlights. That whole bus. So,
God.
a nigga had sold his shit, but I don't got that shit fucked up.
All right. And they light up and like do the color chasing?
But yeah, so now I'm gonna have to get another headlight. Because that shit.
Man.
The lights don't work on that one now. It was working. Not the color changing ones, but the actual
Yeah.
green light was still working. But then it stopped when I hooked up that other one. After I bought that one. And I'll be at the construction site. That's why my shit be dusty.
How much they want it for total cash?
They wanted 72.
72?
It had 20,
For a cat?
It had 20,000.
And you got it, what, 20, 21?
No, almost getting to 20.
Almost getting to 20?
$150 to save up to get
No, it was 21.
It was 21?
They let me get this.
I had a scab before, so I was just saving. I was going to make my, I was one of the niggas about to make my scab. Like,
There's a black one?
Okay, with the 6 4 million. But I was like, I'm just going to sell for.
Alright, then like a new key set. Where our lug nuts at? That's all I gotta find. I'll find the rest. Alright, so if y'all wanna see why we had to come all the way to Riley's, AutoZone, check it out. Yes, sir! Time for a new lug key set, you know what I'm saying? I believe the keys, bro, this look like the one I need. No, it's a 13. I don't even know.
There's some right here too.
Is it? Let's see. I don't even know how the hell you would tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It says 7 spine. 7,
This one says
6 spine.
They're both like a little bad, but they don't have it. There's no way you can open this hoe to like try
Did
to
you check it out? Did you check it out with your number? Your phone number?
Yeah.
You got your account?
Nah. What is good, YouTube? So we're already done putting the wheels on and everything, and it took us a minute because, you know, the key had broke, so we had to go all the way to AutoZone to get a brand new key. And then we finally made it back to, you know, get to the car and, you know, get everything all together, take the wheels off the other Challenger and put them onto the wide body Charger, which I know y'all guys been waiting for, but it's already dark, as y'all can see. So y'all ain't gonna be able to see too much of like how the car's gonna look and everything, but I can't really show y'all too much upon it. But, you know, I'm gonna tune y'all in tomorrow morning, so y'all just stay tuned for the next clip, because I'm actually gonna wash it, but I'm gonna show y'all a video of after how it looks. And, you know, y'all let me know in the comment area, make sure y'all leave a like and a comment, because we're just doing new improvements and new elevation every other day that we doing something with the Charger. But y'all let me know in the comment right now. Go ahead and drop a comment what y'all think on the new wheel setup and everything, because by 10 out of 10, man, I'm loving it right now. So y'all let me know. Well, good morning, guys. So I did already, as you can see by the water spots, I did already wash up the big boat, so you can see this thing is always gonna be shiny. But you know, I'm gonna have to go ahead and get that cold start in for y'all for the morning. God damn it, that damn engine light be pissing me off. But yeah, the only reason why the engine light's on is because I have a lower temperature sensor in my car that keeps my car colder than what it normally does for OEM. So I actually have to take that to go get it tuned, but I haven't done it yet because I want to wait to get my other performance work done on the modifications for the engine. But you know, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a little show of what it looks like. Y'all let me know, you know, what y'all think about the new look. Y'all think this is like tough, or what y'all think? Y'all think I should have just left the other ones? I feel like these is sick though. Like, I feel like these sit perfect with the body. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I'm be straight up honest with you. Like, I feel like he him right there. I ain't even gonna lie. After the wrap, I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I might throw the tire letters. I might not. Might just leave it how it is. Like, just them angles just hit perfect, bro. Like, I'm actually about to take it to go get a wheel alignment right now. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm on the road. All right, guys, as y'all can see, we back in the boat. But yeah, we was on the way to the spot to, you know, get this alignment done. Cause I'm gonna show y'all, look, check it out. This is straight. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna give y'all a little tunnel action. Don't never get old. But yeah, like, this is how my wheel usually be. Like, man, hell no. Like, I figured after running through like 2 sets of tires, like, my wheel stays like this the whole entire time. Like this ain't it. The fuck? This shit crookeder than the motherfuckers. Like, what the hell? But so with us getting a new set of wheels, and I just went ahead and got a great set of tires. So you know what? I was like, fuck it. Let's just go ahead and get the alignment done. So we're actually on the way to the spot to drop it off. And you know what they told me? I don't know if this is true or not, but does it really take this long to get an alignment done? Y'all let me know in the comment area. So I'm taking it to them at 10 o'clock this morning. And they said that they'll have it back to me by 5 p.m. Like, does it really take that long to get alignment? Or are they just like, they just ain't doing the job like quick enough? I could have sworn that alignment takes like, bro, like an hour max. Either that or they ain't got no technicians in the play. I don't know. But yeah, once I get there, I'm gonna show y'all that, you know, I'm dropping it off, and then that'll be it for the video of today. And I hope y'all guys enjoy the video. And I'm actually going to go pick up a new headlight also for the Charger, and I'll show y'all why, you know, I needed a new headlight. So, got some bad news. Went over there, took the car. They said, oh, we can't do your alignment because your car is too low to the ground. Man, what the hell? So now I'm going to the second spot. Hopefully they could get me in. I just got off the phone with them. They said they could get me in. They could get me in and out, get my alignment done. I was like, bet, say less. So now we're actually here to drop it off. Man, these roads are not it, bro. What the heck? So now we're actually here to drop it off and see if we can get alignment done. So let's see what they're talking about.